Hi guys, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut a palazzo trouser, a pleated palazzo trouser. How can you achieve that? In this kind of palazzo trouser, what you need is the hip measurement. Then you double the hip, and it depends on how full you want it to be. You can also triple the hip, but here the hip is 54 inches, but I'm going to double it. But I will be adding 3 inches of seam allowance to it. So now let me take it out for you to see. The first one here is going to be 54 inches. The second one is going to be 54, and I will now have additional of 3 inches. So let me take it out for you to see. You can see the way I'm taking it now. Then after the taking of 54 inches in 2 places, I'll be folding it into 4 to take the flap measurement with the full length of the trouser. Here is after folding it into 4. You can see now this is into 4 places. I cannot be folding it out for you to see because the lacquer fabric is very difficult to fold. You can see this is into 4 places. Then my measurement here, we don't need the waist measurement here because it's a pleat. You understand, the waist is going to be on the band that we're going to pleat this on. So I will not come in with 3 inches. That will be the 3 inches I added to the 54 inches. So this is the 3 inches. After that, from that 3 inches now, so now to take the flap, I'll be taking up 2 inches for the band. The 2 inches is not constant. It depends on the band wideness you want to use. So from that 2 inches now, I'll take my flap to be 19 inches because the flap is 38 inches. No, 19 divided by 19 plus 19 is going to give us 38. So it's going to give us 38. So this is 38 I'm using. So you can see it now. This is 38 inches. I'm taking it at 19 inches. So I will now trace it up to that 3 inches. You can see the way I'm doing it. So I'm going to trace it up like this. After that, I'll now take 2 inches up. 2 inches up. Then I'm going to take 1.5 inches here. Then I'll now connect it up like this. Then from here, you can now check, maybe it's up to 19 inches. Then I'm going to take 2 inches up, then check, is it up to 19 inches that I needed? Yes, this is it, 19 inches plus half inch of seam allowance, so it's okay for me. So you can see now the next thing here is to take the full length. Now taking the full length to be 45 inches. Don't forget we are still taking our 2 inches off for the band. The 45 inches is here with the seam allowance. Then I can now make it straight like that. So this is the 45 inches. After then I can now cut it out. You can see the way I'm cutting it. So when getting to the flap here, I will now slant it a little bit, just a little bit slanting to the full length of the trouser. You can see the way I'm slanting it out. So this is after the cutting of the trouser. You can see how it turns out. So the next thing here is to notch out the center. This is where we are coming to make the pleats. So after this now, I will now cut out my band. So I'll be keeping this aside to cut out the 2 inches band. So that will make it 5 inches. By folding it into 2, it's going to give us 2.5 inches. The half inch is going for the seam allowance, and the 2 inches is going for the band. So the next thing here is to join the trouser and the band together. So let me go and do that now. Now here is the making of the pleat on the band. You can see the way I'm pleating it now on the band. I've notched the center, I've reached the center, I'm going to the end of the band. So I'm doing that for both back and front. You can see the way I'm doing it. It can be full more than this, it depends on how you can do it, because I told you you can multiply your hip into 3 into 4 depending on how full you want your pleated palazzo to be. But here I just multiply it into 2. Then here is it. Now I'm done with the pleat. You can see how it is. You can see it now. So the next thing now is to join everything together, then show you the finishing. Welcome back. yeah, the finished work so far, the waist is not sizing the mannequin waist, so that's why I'm pinning it down like that. You can see how big the trouser is, you can see the palazzo. This is just an illustration on how to get it perfectly. You can see the way I pleat this on the waist, so it's going to be fine. By the time the owner wear it, is going to be full on the owner. You can see how big it is. If you're watching it for the first time, what are you waiting for? Just have to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always see you in my next tutorial. Bye.